So today we're going to show you a cool navigation feature for iDrive 6. This is actually something that was recently added that a lot of people don't know about. So up here I have it set to go somewhere into East Vancouver from where we're at downtown Portland. What this is called is adding a route magnet. So if we click on the second emblem here, the routes, and we want to change the route, we're going to go ahead and add a route magnet. So what this allows us to do is if there's somewhere that you want the route to go through, maybe if you want a second stop, or you have to go, in this case, maybe we need to go to downtown Vancouver, instead of taking 84 to 205 North, we're actually going to route magnet it to downtown Vancouver, let it recalculate a route that allows us to go there, and then on to our destination. Once that's set, that looks perfect. Click on the screen, we're going to say accept that magnet. It's going to recalculate our new route, of course giving us updated traffic information, and we are good to go.